The Butterbeer Latte brings together the sweet flavors of butterscotch and caramel with the rich taste of espresso and milk for a beverage that's almost magical. The combination of sweet and buttery flavors with the boldness of coffee makes this drink a fan favorite. And you can make it in your home cafe with whipped cream, milk, butterscotch syrup, caramel syrup, and espresso. First, make a 2-ounce shot of espresso, or about a third of a cup of strong coffee. Then, heat half a cup of milk and froth it up until it's nice and foamy. Add in 1 ounce of butterscotch syrup and 1 ounce of caramel syrup. Slowly pour in the espresso and then top it off with whipped cream. Finally, drizzle a little more butterscotch syrup over the top. This delicious butterbeer latte tastes amazing and looks fantastic. And now you can make it yourself at home in just a few minutes. And you only need 5 ingredients. Click on the linked videos and we'll show you how easy it is to make your own caramel and butterscotch syrups. Follow us at Mere Coffee to learn how to make better coffee for less money right in your home cafe.